Welcome everybody, IKN by Rubey. Thank you for coming out. And today's topic at hand is a good one. Today we're going to talk about work with what you have. Sometimes things in life get tough, get a little crazy. But one thing I'll tell you is, even though we may want our needs, do we really need all these things that we want out of necessity? Or is it just something that's, who knows what it may be? Either we see someone that has something, or we see something nice, and we're like, oh, you know what, I want to get something like that, or I want to have that, or I'm going to get this one day. And it's great to have all of that and do all that. But always remember, whatever you have, be thankful for and appreciative. We have to be, right? We want to be in connection with that spirit within, that mind, body, and spirit, all is one. Remember, it's your temple. You got to take care of it, right? That's another topic we'll get into, about take care in this body, which I call a temple, whatever you may be or whatever you believe. And in order for us to take care of it, we should, so it could last us a long time and hold that spirit so we can keep going. So back on topic, working with what you got. Oh, this is a good one. I like this because a lot of times in my life I had or been in places or with jobs or situations in my life that if I had certain things, I knew I would have got through these things a lot quicker, these whatever may have came up or these issues. But as I got more knowledge and started thinking and working on myself, I'll give you this exercise. Anytime you get in a situation and there's, try to just work with what you got, whatever you have around you, whether it be anything from tools to in here in the brain and mental, or just whatever it may be throughout your whole daily process or life. Try to just work with what you got, be appreciative of what you have, be thankful, and also be open to blessings. Listen, invite as many blessings as you can in. I tell you why, because you want to. You want to be receptive to receiving just as you should give, right? But all in all, I want to leave you with this video. So working with what you got or what you have, instead of always asking for what you need and to be thankful, just try it. Doesn't hurt, right? And at the same time, it will teach you a little secret, how to be humble. Take care, everyone. Thank you so much. I came by Rubey. A little short one here, something I just felt and said, let's get it out there. Thanks a lot, everyone. Take care.